Hi, today I'm making a detailed review of a super intriguing and slightly mysterious app that's been trending lately. It's called Starla, called the universe. And get this, it claims to use NASA data to read your soul. Is that really true? What is Starla really about? Let's unpack it. Starla positions itself as a kind of digital oracle. It blends AI-powered insights with what it calls real NASA data to give you daily reflections, compatibility readings, dream interpretations, and soul guidance. But some have said it's more astrology meets self-help than a NASA research tool. Well, let's talk about the features. Daily readings based on your intentions and emotional states. Relationship compatibility, which includes love, friendships, even spiritual alignment. A dream decoder, which turns your sleep stories into soulful messages. And personalized soul insights delivered in an aesthetically soothing style. It's like having a cosmic therapist in your pocket, kind of. Now, how do you get access to all these features? Simply head on to Apple Store, download the app for free, and voila, you can start using it. But what about the pricing? As I earlier mentioned, Starla is free to download, but the deeper features come with a price tag. Here's the breakdown. For Starla Pro, it costs $14.99 per week. There's also a general weekly subscription at $9.99 and a yearly pass for $79.99. So it's not cheap, and the pricing tiers are a little confusing because there are two different weekly options with big differences. But of course, we expect it to get better with time because this is just new. Are there any pros and cons that you might want to consider before you download the Starla app? Yes. What are the pros? Engaging design and beautiful visuals. It encourages daily reflection and emotional clarity. And it's fun if you love astrology and personal growth tools. And the free version gives you a good sense before you subscribe. How are the cons? Well, the whole NASA data thing feels more marketing than real. There's a lack of transparency as to how the readings are generated, and there are a few confusing subscription tiers. Also, the app is only available on App Store and not yet on Android. This app also tracks data, so you better consider privacy before you commit to it. So here's the million-dollar question. Is Starla worth it? Well, if you're into astrology, dream work, and self-guided reflection, it's a charming app. It gives you gentle nudges for introspection with beautiful language and a celestial vibe. But if you're expecting real NASA telemetry or deep psychological analysis, this might not really scratch that itch. So here's my recommendation. I'd say you try the free version first because it's currently free to download. Let it sit with you for a week or two, and if it resonates, maybe then it's worth the upgrade. So basically, Starla is really less about science and more about soul storytelling. It doesn't actually scan your birth chart with a satellite beam. But if you're looking for a beautifully packaged, feel-good app to guide your thoughts, it might be the cosmic companion you didn't know you needed. That's it for today's review. If you've tried Starla, I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.